Both failure and success are essential aspects of life, each providing special chances for development and education. While failure teaches us important lessons in resilience, adaptation, and humility, success shows us the importance of hard effort, drive, and strategy. We can find trends, comprehend our advantages, and pinpoint places for development by thinking back on both. Reflection enables us to embrace failures as opportunity for growth and success, while simultaneously acknowledging and appreciating success. In the end, we hone our pathways by striking a balance between reflection and action, transforming every experience, positive or negative, into a chance for personal development.